Well, hello everyone. So today, what I've decided to do is I want to install Windows 95. Yeah, that's right, Windows 95. Now, I've had some issues with installing Windows 95 in the past, like with protection errors and stuff. But I got a program that fixes that problem. So we're just going to create a new virtual machine. Now, we're gonna have to do a little mumbo jumbo stuff first. So we're gonna click I will install the operating system later and select Windows 95 and name it that. 8 gigs. And we're gonna click customize hardware. Add, and we're gonna add a floppy drive. And we're gonna use a boot disk. And this is our boot disk right here. So, there we go. We got our boot disk. Close that. And we can finish. Now I'm going to adjust you to a new screen resolution as soon as I boot up this virtual machine. Alright? Alright, so I went in and I installed the CD that we're going to be working with. So yeah, we're just going to begin. Let's start by doing this mumbo jumbo stuff first. First, we're going to type in, at this A prompt here, we're going to type in FDISK, and we're going to press 1, it's auto-populated. That's, this triggered my OCD. Okay, that's better. So we're just going to select 1 because it's auto-populated, and just press enter. Primary DOS partition, and we're just going to use the maximum available size. You must restart your system for your changes to take effect. Shut down Windows before restarting. So we're just going to... I'm just going to restart it. Yes. So there we go. We have successfully done the F-disk. And now we're going to press... And now we're going to type in format space C:. Yes, enter. We're just going to press enter. And yeah, so now we're going to go to the R drive. Basically the CD. Yours could be different, but what am I to blame? This is some sort of like VM review. Like a VM installation, not a tutorial. So mine is R, so I'm just gonna dir/w, and you can notice a little Win95 folder right there. So now we're gonna go back to this. We're gonna go to C drive, and we're going to type in mkdir, make directory, space Win95. It's just easier if you have the same name. And I'm just gonna press enter just to make sure it's on there. So now we copy R colon slash Win95. Oh wait, no, it's backslashes. Backslash Win95 backslash, oh, the hell? I think yep, I made a little bit of a frick up. Please don't mind me while I make a new VM and try this again because the backslash is extremely close to the enter button. Yeah, I changed my mind. I don't think we need to make another one. So we can just press copy r:// win95 slash asterisk dot asterisk c backslash win oh, win95. Oh no. Yeah, don't mind me. I just restarted it so I can do this again. Copy r:// win95 and then transfer it to, oh wait, no, backslash colon dot colon. Oh, sorry, I screwed up. Asterisk dot asterisk. Yeah, sometimes I make little goof ups. Like you just heard. I don't usually go off of scripts, so yeah, that's the reason why you hear all these goof ups. Anyways, and then copy the C colon slash win95. You think this will work? 57? Okay. So, yeah. I don't know why it copies 57 instead of 37, but that's on me. I think it just might be the disk. So, yeah. Now that all the files are copied, we can press set up and begin. Enter, and yay! Alright, Windows 95 setup. Continue. Yes. Next. See Windows, we're just going to do that. Typical. Certificate of authenticity. Oh boy. Don't you just love that? User information. I'm gonna type it as this. We don't really need a sound on mini card. Look at the progress bar go. Oh boy. I hate my life. Install the most common components recommended. No, I do not want to start this. Copying. Oh wait, I realized I forgot to put in something. I forgot to put in the fixed 95 CPU thing. Restarting your computer, finishing setup. Wait, before you do, I'm just gonna change. Alright, fixed 95 CPU has been inserted. Oh wait, that's not. Alright. Do it again. Boot menu. And then CD-ROM drive. Here it is. Fixed 95 CPU. View the readme file recommended. Probably just gonna be a bunch of mumbo jumbo, but okay. Okay. Okay, okay. Wow. I. You can really tell that this was created by a single person. Alright, so it's successfully been done. And now remove the disk. Disconnect. There we go. And then settings. Yeah, you can probably see like a portion of it. R colon setup. Right? Ah! Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I knocked down the mic. This is the problem. I hate my life. So, yeah. Let's just continue. Oh, yeah, we can need to that thing again. Okay, let's just do this. Blah, blah, blah. This is the one I'm most annoyed about. And probably my weakest episode yet because I kept doing all these slip ups. And you know, other stuff. Remember, these videos are unscripted, and sometimes I have trouble talking, so yeah, that's why you hear some goof ups and if I should even call them goof ups, like frick ups, you know, and rapidly changing my mind about stuff. I that's a really bad habit that I have, and I should probably stop doing. But hey, it's installing. Yay! Are people gonna even watch this video? Yeah, probably. Install the most common components. No, I do not want a startup disk. Do you want to keep this file? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. I don't think that was a good idea, but okay. We're just gonna try it. And if it fails, it fails, okay? Finish. We are just going to remove stuff from the floppies. From them floppies. And click OK. Windows 95 is starting. Get ready to start for the first time. Setting up hardware. Okay. Computer name. Work group. We're just gonna type work group. It'll probably have some. Okay. It's already started. Oh, okay. I didn't. Alright. No, wait, I did. So, yeah. Netapi DLL. Yeah, okay. Can you stop it with the stuff? Okay. I think we're good here. Control panel, programs on the start menu. Time zone, we'll just do that. Printer. Okay, and we're just gonna do that. Just skip through all these. Okay. Okay. Close. Okay, so we have successfully kind of installed Windows 95. We got the stuff on the desktop. Yeah. And this just run Windows really quickly. Windows 95. Okay, everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you later. Bye!